What I might do is try getting to the Jeep without walking around there in the snow. I'm just going to go out the back door here if I can and up through the garage. Oh my cow, look how deep the snow just so. This is just starting. It's supposed to snow till about this time tomorrow. I don't think I'm going out there. Never mind. Alright, we need a new plan. This will give us a chance to see how that snow heater and engine heater thing that I put on the Jeep is going to work out. Man, that's deep. Okay, testing. Do it. Last year I waited and the snow got so deep I couldn't get the Jeep out. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. You see how the snow is moving sideways? Not always a good sign. This thing where she'll idle. Get out and unplug all the things I got plugged into it.